Good morning everyone. Today is the subject business study. We will learn chapter international business or internal trade. Today is the subject difference between inland and foreign trade. Actually the inland trade and foreign trade so many difference. First is area. Inland trade, it is carried on within the geographical boundaries of the country, and the foreign trade is crosses the geographical boundaries of any country. Then trader, actually the inland trade, the purchase and seller both resides in the same country, and foreign trade, the purchase and sales both resides in different countries. Then next is currency. Actually the inland trade, the currency of same country is issued in inland trade, but the foreign trade, international currencies, example dollar, in used the foreign trade in clearing payment. The next ban, generally no ban input the commodities in inland trade except on prohibited drugs. Then foreign trade, many restrictions are laid on goods in foreign trade because import of harmful good may not be interest of the nation. Taxes, generally commercial tax inland of the goods inland trade, and the amount is also measure. Then foreign trade, many local and foreign duties are imposed on goods. Foreign trade with increases the cost of goods to considerable extent. Then next, risk. Inland trade, it involves minimum risk, and foreign trade, it involves maximum risk. Then next is time. Actually the inland trade, less time is consumed in inland trade. Then foreign trade, much time is consumed in foreign trade. तो ये हमने देखा कि फॉरेन ट्रेड और इनलैंड ट्रेड में क्या डिफरेंस है. थैंक यू.